Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to receive cryptocurrency on Binance from another wallet on computer. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser and click deposit. Then select the crypto deposit and write the name of the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, NIR, and select it. Next, we specify the network, in our case the NIR protocol, and get a QR code and an address for receiving coins. If you have the opportunity, we scan the QR code and get coins using it. If not, then copy the address and send it to the sender. If you want to send from your wallet, then go into it. For example, this is a Trust wallet, and look for a coin NIR. Select and click Send. Enter the address and amount to transfer. Check and confirm. That's all, the coins has been sent and will be credited to the wallet within 10 minutes. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.